What up? It's your girl Shay. Do not, I repeat, do not lick your screen right now, okay? We've got some Afro-Caribbean vibes for you today in today's weight gain meal prep series. Alright, you ready for this? So we got a little taste of Ivory Coast with some Attieke, my favorite. If you don't already know, I'm half Nigerian and half Trinidadian, Indian. So I was raised with some Naija and Indian background. I want to share these delicious ideas with you. Like, I cannot keep this to myself. I want to spice up your lunch, okay? Look at that mouth-watering chicken. This is making me hungry all over again. I'm sorry, Karen. We're not just seasoning our chicken with salt, okay? We want some flavor. We're going to start with marinating the chicken breast. So I let it soak in all that flavor for about an hour or two. You don't have to use these seasonings, Karen, but I use these Caribbean roasted garlic spice, some honey garlic, as well as some medium garlic, and I think I threw in some like strong garlic as well. So I like all levels of garlic, you know what I'm saying? I sprinkled some chili powder on the chicken wings just to give it that pop of flavor. I used some pepper soup seasoning. This shit was spicy as hell, so only a little bit of seasoning there. So make sure you wash your chicken. You're nasty, you know, like that is just basic shit. Wash your chicken. Season both sides of it. I know it sounds dumb, but I know some people who only season one side, so don't be that guy. So now it's time to cook that deliciousness. I cook my chicken breasts on the stove because I like them a little more juicy. I find the oven dries them out, but the chicken wings, that's a different story. Just throw them bitches right in the oven, you know what I'm saying? So I pour the extra sauce on top of the chicken breast, and we are good to go. So while this is cooking, the sauce will start to bubble, and I just scoop a bit over the chicken to make sure it's all covered. So, look at this deliciousness. Look how tender and how juicy. Hey. I said don't lick the screen now. Listen. So I cut my chicken into smaller pieces because I'm a child. Like, I don't know what else to say to y'all, but I just like mine smaller just because it's easier to eat. I steam my sweet potatoes by putting a cylinder inside a boiling pot of water. I like mine a little crunchy. The chicken wings are done. Time to pack up the food. So this is the end result. I use packaged Attieke, which is like couscous, but it's made of cassava. It's really easy to make. So you just add boiling water to the dry mix and then let it sit for a bit and just fluff it up. I cut up some onions and tomatoes, added some olive oil, bam. Perfect vegetable mix. Honestly, when you take a bite of this, you gotta mix a little bit of everything. You know, some Attieke, some tomatoes, a little bit of onions, some delicious chicken. This is a mood, girl, I'm telling you. Wait, that's not all, okay? I am throwing in a bonus healthy sweet treat option, okay? I don't know about you, but I got a sweet tooth, girl. I got sweet teeth, all right? I like some sugar. These are banana, peanut butter, chocolate chip energy ball. Whew. What a mouthful, huh? Just like these energy balls, right? Okay, I'll stop. It's a very easy, simple recipe. So easy, your baby mama, your papa, your granddad, your daddy, he can make it, okay? It's easy. So you're just gonna add peanut butter or almond butter or whatever you want. You can even use honey. This is just the part that helps stick everything together. The glue, if you will. So you're gonna add the banana, the browner the banana, the sweeter. I eat all those. I don't care if it's brown, okay? I mix in the oats. I picked honey oats for that sweeter flavor. And then it's time for the best part, girl. The best part. You ready? The chocolate chips. The chocolate chips. Okay, you're gonna mix that all up and stick it in the freezer for a bit just to harden it a little bit. And then to make the balls, you're just gonna scoop a little in your hand and just roll it around. Okay, this gets a little messy, but the fun part is you can just lick it off your hands after, like lick, okay? So that's it. Okay, I hope you like that. It was delicious, right? I hope this video made you hungry. If your stomach is growling, girl, you better hit that like button. Alright? Oh, men too. I know you're watching this too. Hit that like button and subscribe to support your girl Shay. Alright? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.